Hello friends, welcome to VDS Learning School. Today's topic is different methods of printing of fabrics. Printing is the process of applying color to fabric in definite patterns or designs. In printing, wooden blocks, stencils, engraved plates, rollers and screens can be used to place colors on the fabric. The four main methods of textile printing are block printing, screen printing, roller printing and heat transfer printing. Now we shall discuss about each method of printing in details. The first one is the block printing. Block printing is an ancient textile tradition that originated in the Rajasthan desert region of India. It involves stamping designs on fabric by hand using carved wooden blocks. It requires intensive labor, time consuming and tremendous level of skill to perform block printing. It is usually done on linen, cotton and silk fabric. It is the simplest of the printing methods and no special printing equipment are required. In this method, the desired design is carved on the wooden or metal block. The fabric is pinned on a table which is firm, strong and withstands the pressure of printing. The wooden block is stamped in the print paste or applied onto the surface of the block. The block is stamped firmly on the selected part of the fabric. This process is repeated to print the required length of fabric. That's all about block printing. The second method of printing is the screen printing. Screen printing is a traditional high precision printing process used by many manufacturers all over the world. Screen printing is a process of transferring a design onto a plain piece of silk with the use of man-made stenciled mesh screens, ink and a squeegee. In this printing method, fabric is spread on larger table and a designed screen is placed on the fabric. The ink or paint is added to the top end of the screen and a squeegee is used to pull the ink along the full length of the screen. This presses the ink through the open area of the stencil, imprinting the design on the fabric underneath. The third method of printing is roller printing. Roller printings are also called cylinder printing or engraved roller printing. It is the modern continuous printing technique. In this method, the design to be printed is transferred onto the fabric using engraved rollers. There is a separate roller for every color of the design that needs to be printed. The rollers dispense the dyes onto the surface of the fabric. This printing is used whenever long run of fabrics are to be printed with the same design. The last one is the heat transfer printing. Heat transfer printing is also known as thermal printing, thermal transfer printing and thermal wax transfer. Heat transfer printing uses the process of heat to transfer an image created in the wax to an object or garment. This printing option is not only one of the easiest, but it is also an affordable option that you can turn to without incurring losses. The heat applied material comes with adhesive on one side which can only be activated by heat. When you apply heat via your heat transfer equipment to the heat applied material, it activates the adhesive which helps it to stick onto the item or object or fabric you want to decorate. That's all about the different methods of printing. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.